Somebody was cutting back there. Not where I was, but...
Natra. Oh yeah?
Hey.
Hi. So dinner in. Dinner in. Natra. This is silly. It's just running back and forth. Natra, dinner in. Natra Daji. There he is. His new fort. Should have waited for Christmas to give it to him. Natra's first four-wheeler ride. This is the second round. Going down the driveway, coming back up. Natra! Hi! Natra, boy? He usually does sign language and more. He's kind of tired out. Compared to his little four-wheeler, I think this is big old giant one. I think he's ready to get off.
All done?
All done. He usually puts his arms up when he's all done. Well, it's snowing and we barely have enough to drive a snow machine, so Nacho and Dorma's coming up the driver right now. Nacho's having fun on the snow machine. Trying to break in the new Bravo.
He wants to go for another ride.
Go ahead.
Wraps out.
All back from the riding trip.
First
Natra.
snowblower ride. He doesn't want to get off. He's ready to go again.
Oh, that's how they start. Get on and never get off. Pretty soon I'll be trapping with you.